Good morning, students. You are asked me to solve example 5 of exercise 2.2. This example is not examination point of view. So I did not clear it. But you are asked me, so I am going to solve this example. This is cubic polynomial. In your syllabus, you have to study about a quadratic polynomial whose form is ax square plus bx plus c. But the given problem is cubic polynomial, which is not in the syllabus. So even then I am going to verify that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, whose form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. The form of example 5, exercise 2.2. The form of cubic polynomial is px बराबर ax क्यूब प्लस bx स्क्वायर प्लस cx प्लस d. The form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. As you know, the form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, and you are given zeros of this polynomial 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So we put the value of 3 minus 1 by 3 in px बराबर 3x क्यूब minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. The given polynomial px is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. So we put at first 3 in place of p3 बराबर 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 81 minus 45 minus 33 minus 3 we get p3 बराबर 0. Again we put p minus 1 on putting p बराबर 3, p minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 का क्यूब minus 5 into minus 1 का स्क्वायर minus 11 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 1 cube minus 5 into minus 1 square minus 11 into minus 1 minus 3 बराबर minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3 is equal to 0. If we put p equal to minus 1, then the result is 0. Putting p is equal to minus 1 by 3. Then the polynomial px is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 3 square minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 plus minus 5 by 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 plus 11 by 3 minus 3 is equal to is equal to 9 minus 1 minus 5 plus 33 minus 33 minus 27 is equal to plus 33 minus 33 by 9 is equal to 0 by 9 is equal to 0. We see that if we put the value of zeros in px, the result is 0. So it is proved that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the polynomial px. We have to ask that, verify that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. So we put the value of x, value of 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 in the given polynomial, the result is 0. Hence, therefore 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 are zeros of px. It is proved. Now we have to find the relation between the zeros of the polynomial and the coefficient of the polynomials. So we find at first alpha plus let us suppose that let alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to -1 and gamma is equal to -1/3. So it's a alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3 plus -1 plus -1/3 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 minus 1/3 बराबर 5/3. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 5/3. 5/3. For 5/3 we can write 5/3 minus coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of b by coefficient of a. Coefficient of a. Because the given polynomial is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, here the alpha value of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 5/3. So we can write here b is equal to -5. So minus coefficient of b by coefficient of 8. Alpha plus beta plus gamma बराबर. And now we find the value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. These are like Latin letters which is used for zeros of the polynomial alpha, beta and gamma. These are Latin letters, Greek letters, alpha, beta, blah. Now putting the value of alpha, beta and gamma, alpha beta is equal to 3 into -1 plus beta gamma is equal to -1 into -1/3 and alpha gamma is equal to 3 into -1/3. Simplifying, we get -3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by minus 3 plus 1/3 minus 1 is equal to -4 plus 1/3 minus 4 plus 1/3 बराबर -7 -12 plus 1/3 is equal to -11/3 -11/3. The -11/3 is equal to coefficient of c by coefficient of a. Coefficient is equal to -c by a. is equal to C by A, and after that we find alpha beta gamma. Value of alpha beta gamma is equal to alpha बराबर 3 into beta is equal to -1 and gamma is equal to -1/3 is equal to 1. For 1 we can write 1 for d by a is equal to d by a. So this is the relation between zeros of the polynomial and the coefficient of the polynomial. Here the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma बराबर b by minus b by a, b, because here coefficient of x square is equal to b and coefficient of x cube is equal to a. So we can write b by a minus b by a and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha बराबर is equal to c by a, and the value of alpha beta gamma is equal to 1. For 1 we can write is equal to -3 by 3/3 is equal to 1. So we in question we have to verify that 3 minus 1/3 are the zeros of the polynomial Px. To verify the zeros of the polynomial, we put the value of 0 in Px respectively. So if we put value of, at first we put a value of 0, 3. Putting 3, we get the result 0, and if we put -1, then the value of Px is equal to 0, and if we put -1/3, the value of Px is equal to 0. So if the value of Px is equal to 0, then it is proved that 3 minus 1/3 are the zeros of the polynomial. And after that we find the relation between the zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. We find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and alpha plus beta plus gamma बराबर -b by a, and -b by a -b by a and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to d by a. So this is the relation, and after that we will start next exercise. In this exercise we have to divide one polynomial by another polynomial. In next class I will I will about division algorithm. You try to solve problems. Thank you.